secrets in my head.
You already?
Oh, how they burden me.
No doubt.
These secrets in my head burn with urgency.
Can you keep a secret?
If I tell you one or two or three, can you keep them between you and me?
Let's go.
Dirty secrets.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Imagine my plans, picture I ran when I land down. Moses expand, getting my hands on a cash cow. I pull the mask out, cover my tracks and hit the back route. Niggas know when the secrets to speaking, I'm tweaking agile. You see the God's features normally deepens. Thoughts reaching the reasons of legions. I'm so facetious, I'm so illuminated, creative in all the seasons. I'm a pleasing all these legions of patrons that's so beneath us. The mass bandit, riding on mass transit. Nigga take a crack at it. I spit that mathematics. You see I say syllables that choke a asthmatic. You couldn't grab at it even if you pass panic. Figures is games, I inflict physical pain. My brain waves relay on the spiritual plane. Stains of confidence is obvious, I'm quick to engage. Never to fade, I'm flowing at a difficult rate.